Hello everyone. Yeah, I found out this amazing trend following strategy and I want to share with us just very quickly. Now, I will share with us the settings and teach you how you can trade it and also how you can use the filter. We're having a filter to filter the trade. Now, this also can serve as a scalping strategy to you. You can use it for scalping. You can use it for scalping. Very nice in scalping, both for your forex and also for crypto. You can use this for forex and crypto. Now, this is a trend following strategy that works very well. This works like a magic. Now, we're going to be using moving average 20, but the major thing is the settings. Now we're using three moving average and all of them are moving average 20. Follow me so that you understand the differences and how you can use them, and don't be in a haste to jump any part of this video because it is technical. It is very technical. Don't skip any part of this video. Now, um let's move on. Now click on the indicator button. Click on the main data. The first is our moving average. Now we're using the moving average 20, like I said, and then the first one is we're going to use a red color. Put a red color, and then we're going to use it. The method is going to be linear weight. Linear weight apply to close. Apply to close. Look at it close. Linear weight apply to close. This is our first settings. This is our first settings. Don't skip any part of the video. Watch the end so that you will know what we are doing. Click on save. Look at it. This is it. This is it. Very powerful. Now, the next is our moving average 20 again, but this time around, we're not using linear weight. We're using simple. Now, why we use a linear weight is because we want to know the instances when there is demand and supply. Because linear weight always work with demand and supply. I know most traders will not tell you this secret because it works with demand and supply. It works with demand and supply. Why the simple works with it gives accuracy. It gives accuracy. Now, um we're going to use the period 20 and method is going to be simple, and then apply. Now you look at it, apply. Now we're going to use high, and then I will put it black color. It's going to be high and I'll put it black color. Black color because we're having red. No, let me choose another color, please. Let me choose green color. Let me choose green color for the high. Or okay, rather blue color, not really dark. Okay, yes, high. Let it be this color. Now look at the difference. Now look at it. And the last moving average we're going to be putting is our moving average 20 still. Method simple, apply to low. Now look at the differences. It is what? Low, not high. It is low. Now click on save. Now I forgot to change the color. Now we can change the color now to black. Look at how it is. This is it. Now we're going to introduce our relative strength index for filtering so that we can filter our trade. Remember, it is trend following strategy, so we need filter to filter our trade. So we're going to be using relative strength index 10, RSI 10 as a filter. Now this is it. This is how our trade look like. Now look at my time frame. I'm using the 5 minutes time frame for a reason, because I'm scalping. It's going to be a short trade. I'm scalping and I'm following the trend. Yes, I'm following the trend. I have a video on trend following. Trend, how to identify trend. You can check my YouTube channel for that. Now, how do we trade? This is very simple. Now, whenever there is a cross of the red line, you confirm it with your relative strength index. Now, for example, now look at what happened here. There was a cross of the red line with a blue line, showing that it's going for a sell. Look at here, it's on overboard, overboard. So it's actually a confident um, trade for you to sell and scalp, take some profit and go out of the market. And it reverses again, return back here, cut again above it, going down, coming down, it cuts across this again. Look at this again, above the 70 level. So we sell. Once it reaches down, once it reaches here, you go out of the market, go out of the market. But once you see the moving average, there's a red moving average, which is that of the linear weight returning back to um, the black color, blue color. You have to go out of the market. Go out of the market. Now stay away from sideways market. That's chopping market. This kind of market. Stay away from it. Once you see it's moving in between, the red line is in between, stay away from the market. If you have not entered before, don't enter again. Don't enter again. If you have not entered before, don't enter again. When you see it's giving signal, like look at this now, it's giving signal. It's a trend flowing. You see it's giving signal, moving intertwined with the blue line. You can enter forward for a buy. See it intertwining and it's moving. You can enter for a buy, because you look at your filter here, it's also below the 50, and then it keeps moving. Now this is just as simple as that. If you don't understand, you watch this video over and over again, so that you again understand it before you start trading. Now look at the red line. After crossing here, look at what happened. It came close to the 50 and keep moving down. Now it means that you can still continue the sell, can still continue the sell. That is how this trend following strategy is very unique. One moving average, different settings, giving us massive result. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. The next video will be a powerful video, trust me. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.